Today, we will discuss one more characteristic of the evaluation tool, that is the validity. Previously, we have discussed about the reliability, methods of estimation of the reliability. You know that the good evaluation tool has few characteristics, that is the reliability, validity, norms, objectivity and usability. Today we are going to discuss about the validity. The validity of a test is determined by measuring the extent to which it matches with a given criteria. It refers to the very important purpose of a test. It is the most important characteristic of a good evaluation tool. A test may have other merits also, but if it lacks the validity, it is valueless. The validity is the extent to which a test measures what it was designed to measure. It refers to the degree to which the test actually measures what it is supposed to measure. A test is valid when it measures truly and accurately the ability and the quality one wants to appraise. Validity has some characteristics. Validity is an unitary concept. It refers to the truthfulness of the test result. In the field of education and psychology, where we deal with the mental measurements, no test is perfectly valid, as the mental measurements is not absolute but the relative. The validity refers to the appropriateness of the interpretation of the results and not to the procedure itself. We say if a test is valid, it is reliable. But if a test is reliable, it may or may not be valid. It is an evaluative judgment on the test. It measures the degree to which a test measures what it is intended to measure. It refers to the degree. By degree, we mean it may have high, low, or moderate degree of validity. No assessment is valid for all purposes. A test is valid for a particular purpose only. There are some factors that affect the validity of a test. The appropriate test should be used which measures the understanding or the thinking skills and other complicated types of achievements. If the appropriate test is not applied for measuring the factual knowledge, that leads to an invalid result. And if the directions are not clearly stated, it may lead to the low validity, as the students' response to the items and their answers are recorded wrongly. So we have to specify the directions in the test item correctly. If the test item is very easy or it's very difficult, that cannot distinguish or discriminate between the bright and the poor student, it may affect the validity. We have to make the test items that are of intermediate difficulty. The items unintentionally sometimes provide the clues which lead to the answers. It measures the alertness of the students in detecting the clues. Language should be easy, that can be understood by a particular group of students. Sentence structure that does not match the level of that particular group may affect the validity of the results. A test must have sufficient number of items to assess a performance. The validity may be affected by the length of the test. If the test is too short, which don't provide a representative measure what is to be measured, that affects the validity of a test. So we have to keep in mind while framing the test items the length of the test item. While arranging the test items, we should keep in mind to keep the easy items first, By keeping the difficult items earlier in the test, that may lead to the mental block or take too much time of the student to solve the difficult items, that will in turn affect the validity of the test. So, while arranging the items, we have to keep in mind to keep the easy items first and then to the difficult items. As organized arrangement of the correct answers, which can also lower the validity of the test, ambiguous items can be misinterpreted and they can confuse the students. If the student gets confused, that may affect the validity. Even ambiguity may confuse the bright students also. So, while framing the test, we have to keep in mind these factors that affect the validity of the test. I hope you have understood today's lecture. If you like this video, don't forget to give the thumbs up to this video and share this video with others. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of the upcoming videos. We will be back with the new video lecture. Till then, stay tuned to the channel. God bless you.